Hey everyone, have you ever wanted to take your trading to the next level? Well, today I've got something special for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. When you use this code to sign up or refer friends to Bingx, it's not just about trading, it's about getting an edge in your investment journey. Here's why you should consider using the Bingx Referral code. First, by using the code CHUCHU, you unlock exclusive benefits right from the start. You'll receive extra bonuses on your initial deposit, setting you up for success. But that's not all. User-friendly interface. Bingx offers a seamless trading experience, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. Innovation. They're always updating their platform with features like Bingx Earn and Bingx Copy trading, which opens up new avenues for income and learning. Generous referral program. With every friend you refer using the code CHUCHU, both you and your friend benefit. You get 10% of the trading fees generated by your referrals as lifetime rewards. They receive a welcome bonus, which they can leverage to kickstart their trading. And here's the best part. When you use the referral code CHUCHU, you're not just trading, you're building a community with fellow traders. The cycle of referrals benefits everyone involved, creating a win-win situation. How to apply the code. 1. Sign up or log in to Bingx. 2. Enter the Bingx referral code CHUCHU during registration or in your account settings. 3. Invite friends using your unique referral link, which includes the code CHUCHU. Remember, trading is not just about making profits, it's about making connections. So, join the Bingx community today, use the referral code CHUCHU, and unlock a world of opportunities. Don't forget to share this code with your friends to give them the best start in their trading journey. Thank you for choosing Bingx, and remember, together we thrive. Happy trading and see you in the next video.